Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our undercarriage spray. Undercarriage spray is a perfect finishing touch to any cleaning or detail, especially on a car or truck like this one that has a very large and exposed wheel well. Any stock ride height is going to expose your wheel wells, and they're notoriously hard to clean. Today's modern wheel wells are generally either coated in plastic or a soft fabric. Both of them tend to look really bad as they get dirty. These black plastic ones tend to fade, almost appearing gray, and as they collect tar and road grime, they add even more discoloration and become a really unsightly aspect of your overall appearance. Now, undercarriage spray is meant to wetten the look and bring the focus back onto your tire and wheel package, which you generally spend a lot more time cleaning and can get much better results out of. So this product is meant to make that wheel well go away, look nice and black and wet, and bring the focus back onto where it should be, which is your wheels and tires. All you have to do is simply spray this on your wheel well, and you can even spray it on your suspension components, your leaf springs, any frame rail, anything that just doesn't look very good and you want to hide it. So all I've got to do is simply spray it on the wheel well, just a light little coat, and work around. Making sure to cover some of the spots that I missed on my initial go round. And then of course I can come back and grab the frame rail as well, and those big exposed leaf springs on this heavy duty truck. This product really amounts to just a detailer's tip, and it's a quick way to make those dirty and nasty wheel wells look great. Thank you for watching. For more information on undercarriage spray, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage. Generally, those wheel wells are extremely dirty. They get everything that's kicked up off the road, including tar and really nasty oil grime. And they're, I was gonna say they're a to clean.